Here's how understanding the solar eclipse will help you with drawing. Here's the moon. It's between the Earth and the sun. The sun obviously is the light source. Draw a line from the bottom of the sun to the bottom of the moon to the Earth. And from the bottom of the sun to the top of the moon to the Earth. Top of the sun to the top of the moon to the Earth. And top of the sun to the bottom of the moon to the Earth. Now, because the Earth is round, these lines here will be round too. This middle area is a total eclipse. This is where the moon completely blocks out the sun. And this other area, this is a partial eclipse. That means you're going to get some light from the sun. We use exactly the same idea when we're talking about shadows. With the light source there, the object is going to cast a shadow. This is like that total eclipse part. The object is completely blocking the area. This is also called the umbra. It's a total block. Now the other area, the partial eclipse area, that's called the penumbra. You get a partial block. The penumbra is always lighter than the umbra, and it fades. This is why you get these hazy or fuzzy shadows. I hope this helps with your solar eclipse drawing and your shadow anatomy. Remember to keep your eyes safe on April 8th.